Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Kubernetes in Action, 2nd edition, by Marco Lucia.
Explore Kubernetes, its origins, popularity, architecture, and impact on data centers. Kubernetes, a Greek word meaning helmsman, automates deployment and management of large-scale application systems. It abstracts underlying infrastructure, standardizes application deployment, uses a declarative model, and handles daily management tasks. This allows developers and operators to focus on application and business logic. Developed by Google as an open-source project, Kubernetes automates container management based on their experience with Borg and Omega. It has become one of the world's leading open-source projects, with many companies offering enterprise-quality products built from it. Kubernetes is popular for managing microservices, smaller components of an application that allow for easier scaling and development. It automates microservices management and bridges the gap between development and operations teams. Kubernetes has made moving applications between cloud providers easier by forcing major cloud providers to integrate it into their offerings. By building applications on Kubernetes APIs instead of proprietary cloud provider APIs, they can be easily transferred between providers. Kubernetes acts as an operating system for computer clusters, scheduling distributed application components onto individual computers in the cluster, and acting as an interface between the application and the cluster. It provides features like service discovery, horizontal scaling, load balancing, self-healing, and leader election. After Kubernetes is installed, you no longer need to think about individual computers when deploying applications. A Kubernetes cluster has two groups of nodes, master nodes and worker nodes. The control plane components run on the master nodes and control the cluster, while the worker nodes run the applications. Understanding these components is important for using Kubernetes effectively. To deploy an application in Kubernetes, you define it using objects created through the Kubernetes API. These objects can be defined in YAML or JSON format. Once you submit the application manifest to the API, a controller creates new objects for each application instance, and the scheduler assigns a node to each instance. When using Kubernetes, you have two options: vanilla open source or enterprise grade. Vanilla is cutting edge but requires fine-tuning. Enterprise grade, like OpenShift or Rancher, offers better security and performance with additional object types and software tools. However, it may lag behind the latest version of Kubernetes. Should you use Kubernetes? Consider these factors. If you don't need to automate application management, or if you have less than 5 microservices, Kubernetes may not be the best option. However, if you have more than 20 microservices, it's likely worth integrating Kubernetes. Keep in mind that learning Kubernetes takes time and resources, and initial costs may be higher. Make a rational decision based on your organization's needs.
Get this book at manning.com